That's my new hose for the auxiliary air valve. The other one was all hard and cracked. There were several leaks on it. So before I do the final vacuum test, I want to have this guy on. So here we are back under the hood. I'm gonna reinstall the auxiliary air valve today, but before that I want to clean the threads. I got the 7/32 socket. It fits pretty good on that top, so that's what we're gonna run through now. Okay, that's the first part of maybe not. Okay, still turning, but it's kind of. I think I'm there. Yeah, that's it all the way. Let's take the guy out. Actually, there's a little bit of quite a bit of deposit. I'm surprised. No problem. That's all this stuff is from the damn screw that came out. Yeah, there was quite a bit. But like I said, as you remember, there was quite a bit. Let me just blow this out and clean the other one. Okay, let's do the other side. This guy came out very easy, so I don't expect too much stuff here. Yeah, it's going nice and smooth, so okay. Take that out, no need to go all the way. And now the side. Wipe this nice and clean so the new seal can sit on properly. Clean it up. Actually, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to take this first before I put the valve on. I'm going to take that hose. It's all hard and hard as a rock, so I'm going to take that off right now. Look. So this is original part from Mercedes 11609400082. Okay, just tile fit that here, and there. Yes, okay, that's perfect. So let's put the AAV on. So what I got here is brand new seal for my valve. Okay, and this is the part number 1142030080, and that's the seal for the AAV. Okay, so we'll put this guy right under. Okay. And this guy, there we go. Okay, I can put one screw temporarily in there just to hold this in place. We'll go just about here. Okay, you know what I'm gonna do? I think it's a really good idea. If it's okay, so now just got 2 lock washers. I didn't have them on. So what we'll do, there's no lock washers there yet. I will put some anti-seize on it, very little, like next to nothing, just to make sure that whoever works on it next doesn't have to go through the hassle I had to go. Okay, we'll take this guy out now and do the same thing. Put that lock washer on and just a tad of anti-seize. As you can see, I'm not putting much. It's a thin coat, not too much. Just to make sure this doesn't seize up in there again. You know, the threads are nice and clean now. Let's keep it that way. So I'm not catching yet. Good. Okay, nice out of alignment. Okay, I'm in now. This stuff is don't go crazy attitude here. When you feel it is tight, it's tight. There's a lock washer stuff on it. Just go side by side. That's it. Okay. What I do, I just lubricate that with a tiny bit of transmission fluid to stick my finger in there. So it slides nice. I don't have to force anything. Alright, good stuff. Let's do this end first. We'll go on easy. Let's hope. This clamp is kind of okay. You know what? I'm gonna put it on the other side. There's better clearance there. Okay. I'm gonna open it up a little more. Yeah, that's much better. Now the recirc. Right, this is on. This on. Yeah. This one's on. This guy is on. Okay, cool. That's really good. That's the plate here I got made for the cold start valve. That it's at this point not really working, just leaking. We're not replacing it. This car will be driven in summer only, so for now the cold start will be deleted. I will post a cut drawing of this plate as well, so if someone wants to take it to a CNC shop or whatever and give it to them, they can make it for you fairly inexpensive, I guess. Anyway, definitely cheaper than a new cold start valve. Okay, here we go with the number for the auxiliary air valve, the seal, the gasket. Oh, sorry, right here, that's how it looks like. And the number is 117-141-0780. Put this guy on. In. So let's set up the gasket again. And you know what, it's a little much here. I don't want to get in on the gasket. Right. And this guy is in. Those are Allen heads. So so I got a better feel. Okay, that's it. Okay. That part is done. Then I can put the air cleaner back on. And, so this is connected. So this guy, tighten this guy, everything else is tight. And after the final test, I will remove the fuel pressure gauge.